This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. Beautifully remodeled and re-envisioned 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on a wooded 2.27-acre parcel, just 15 minutes to the west side of Bloomington. The main level offers an inviting open floor plan with combined kitchen, dining, and living spaces. The kitchen features an architecturally pleasing arched opening above the large farm sink, custom Italian-style textured backsplash, stylish range hood, butcher block countertops and stainless steel appliances. A ceiling fan, recessed lighting, beautiful bead-board ceilings, a rustic wood beam and attractive durable laminate flooring provide a feeling of warmth to living space. A bedroom, full bath, laundry room and a space behind the staircase perfect for a desk and small office space are also on the main level. The other 2 bedrooms are on the second level. Both have vaulted ceilings and the master has an ensuite bath with vessel sink and air bowl tub. Enjoy outdoor time on the wonderful covered front deck, with a cathedral bead-board ceiling, a rustic beam and a stunning chandelier. The deck wraps around the side of the house and overlooks the private yard with fire pit area and woods and space for outdoor activities. You can move right in. Schedule a time to see this property soon. Seller